In 3 years, I went from looking like an ugly, skinny video gamer who just tried to escape reality because I attracted no girls. This all changed when I learned the 3 methods that can actually change your looks. It went me from being this ugly video gamer to now being the most attractive version of myself. It has gotten me multiple dates and girlfriends. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these 3 methods are so you can become the most attractive version of yourself. So you can finally start attracting beautiful girls as well. And if you didn't know already, my name is Oliver and I help guys become the most attractive version of yourself so you can attract beautiful girls. And if you didn't know already, the single best way to do so is by building an aesthetic physique. If you don't know how to build an aesthetic physique, then go have a look at the top link in the description. All the details are there. So step number 1 is to train your jaw. The reason why so many people, especially the TikTok boys that most people look up to getting more attractive, is because they have such a good jawline. Not only does it have good thickness, like the muscle has good thickness around here, but it also has something called the forward growth, which basically means how much forward your growth is. It's not resist, it's not like this, fucking mouth breather, but it's actually more like this. You breathe through your nose and you mew constantly. But there's one specific exercise that I do to actually train my jawline to get this more forward growth, and that is something called the prayer. The reason why the prayer is such an effective way to grow your jawline more forward is because it trains to put resistance upwards towards your chin, and then you try to press downwards with your chin. So you press upwards with your fingers on your chin, and then you press downwards with your chin. This will constantly give the resistance enough for your jawline to get forward growth. You can also do things like mewing. So mewing is the second way to actually get this, and that is just by putting it on the back third of your palate, and that's when you push upwards with your tongue and then you try to push forward afterwards. If you constantly do this as much as possible throughout the day, then you will see big results. Step number 2 to becoming so attractive that it feels illegal is to train your eyes. There's basically nobody who just naturally has pretty eyes. Of course there's someone, but we can train this because you have muscles around your eye area. The way that we train this is by taking our index fingers and then we take it on the end of our eyebrows and then we pull upwards and then a little bit to the side. You kind of twist your fingers to the side. You can already feel that there's a bit of pressure now. Then you try to squint as hard as possible for as many reps as you can until it really burns around your eye area. This will give you that hunter eye look. There's also different ways that we can do it by utilizing something called the UUDD method, which is where we learn how to express our eye control. So let me teach you what that is. What it stands for is that you go upwards with your eyebrows up, you look up, then down, and then you look down again. Now you have this hunter eye movement. If you just keep spamming this, repeatedly do this motion, you will kind of learn how to have this calm expression, because it is something that we need to teach our body to learn over time. Because when we do it enough times, it will become automatic, and that's when you will start having the hunter eyes. And if you want to learn how many reps, how many sets, all of these different things, and so many more exercises to train your face, then I have just the thing for you. I have a program that is currently in pre-sale, which means the price will be at the lowest that it will ever be. It's only $20. Not only do you get all my tips on how to become more facially attractive, like your physical appearance, both for your body and your face. It's also a course or program where you can learn about the 7 aesthetic muscles, which is what makes you attractive. It's the most attractive physique possible. I have achieved it, and you can achieve it as well. You just need to click top link in the description. All the details are there. So step number 3 is, as I said before, build an aesthetic body. So building an aesthetic body means that we need to build 7 different muscles on our body. Those are the ones that makes us the most attractive version of ourselves. The 7 aesthetic muscles are the neck, your upper traps, your lateral delts, your upper chest, your lats, your biceps, and your abs. Those are the 7 muscles that will make you the most attractive impossible. And I swear to God, it's so weird, but when you literally train your body to become more attractive, your face actually changes as well. I don't know the science behind it, but it just does. It's so crazy. So that's just a side bonus that I wanted to share with you. But again, if you want me to have a completely structured workout for you, where I have put it in all the exercises, the set, reps, all of these different things, all these secrets to also boost the amount of muscle mass that you can gain so you can grow muscles quicker, I have it all inside of my program. And as I said, I'm really telling you, bro, I will do everything in my power for you to get these results. I know how it is to not get attention from girls. It's the fucking worst. And I'm telling you, if you are confused about anything, you can always text me inside of this program. You can always text me, oh, what about this? Do I get this? All of these different things. So you have nothing to worry about. Just go down and click the top link in the description, bro. I'm telling you, we're gonna make this fucking happen. We're gonna make you the most attractive version of yourself. Again, it's just the top link in the description. All the details are there. So now I really want to thank you for watching this far of the video. I really want to tell you how proud I am of you to actually watch this kind of videos, because you could be doing something else right now. Let's be honest, you could be eating junk food. You could just be scrolling on TikTok, seeing some fucking meme that won't even benefit you in life. But here you are actually trying to improve your life. And I'm telling you, I am so proud of you. It's fucking amazing what you're trying to do for yourself. And I'm telling you, you will not regret it. I have not regretted it once that I went on this journey. It's been the best thing that I've done for myself. And I know you will love it as well. So go down and click subscribe so you can become a part of this channel, so you can get these videos as quickly as possible. I upload every single day. So I'm telling you, I will give you all the advice that you need. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah.